Friends, welcome to All Happy MTV channel. Today I discuss about a visit to museum. A visit to a museum. Museum. Let's go, guys. Today I discuss about museum. After our annual examination had been over, I, along with some of my classmates, planned to visit any museum. Then we informed our class teacher, Mr. Harun or Rashid, of our plan and program. He agreed to go with us. We decided to visit Ahsan Manzil. We collected 50,000 taka from our classmates. Our school also contributed 5,000 taka to arrange the visit to the museum. We hired a special bus from Uttara Model High School to Ahsan Manzil. At the appointed time, all of our classmates got in the service. Our class teacher was also punctual. We took his seat. Then the driver started for Ahsan Manzil. It took only 1 hour for us to reach our destination. We bought 50 tickets to enter the museum. Its ground, its ground is full of green grass. There are plants and trees all around the museum. We heaved a sigh of relief and took fresh air heartfully. Its ground is also enriched with flower and foliage, and we had a heavenly bliss. Afterward, we entered the museum. We saw ancient relics there. We observed pistol, rifles, arrow, bow, spear, helmet, axe, sword, and so on. We also saw carpet, flower vase, paintings, and many other things. But the thing that I liked most was in a throne. I seemed its was covered with gold as it is glittering. I felt like touching it. After we had visited it, we come back of our respective destination, safe and soundly.